How to log into Echo app. 1. Open the Echo application. 2. Select Continue with Google. 3. Enter your name. 4. Select Next. 5. Select your birthday. 6. Select Next. 7. Choose your gender. 8. Choose your avatar. 9. Select Allow. 10. Select Next. 11. Choose your interest. 'Success, you have logged in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.